Alright, I'm here at Splash, just outside unit 604 in the West Tower. And I have a little ankle surgery, so I'm using a cart to get around. So I apologize that it's not going to be as smooth and nice as my other videos. Here's the, if you look through, it's got all tile all throughout, which is so nice. You don't have to do anything, no flooring. Nice king size in the master. Master bathroom with the pocket door. And let's see if I can work myself around here. Sorry. Alright, you got the nice artwork on the side. Bunk area right here. Looks like the bottom is also maybe a trundle bed as well. Full bathroom number 2 with the shower. Kitchen has been upgraded with stainless steel appliances. Stainless steel fridge. They said in the listing that the AC has been just recently replaced. Your washer and dryer. Looks like they have a little owner's closet right there as well. Four bar stools, decent furniture. Their patio furniture is actually inside because they're doing some work outside. For the next month, it'll be finished in about March. And I can't quite get you out there because I got my little scooter, but there's your view. 6th floor is perfect. You can see the sand. See out to the Gulf. Super cool. All right, so that's Splash 604 in the West Tower.